Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, I think July 18th, and it is 8. It's 8 o'clock. Levi woke up like 6:30ish, so he'll take his nap around 9. Levi has his Kevin Durant Warriors jersey onesie on. He looks super cute. Hey, little
Look, here's your basketball. Get your basketball. Yeah. Yay. Basketball. There you go.
When Levi gets tired, he starts losing his balance and he just can't keep his balance and keeps falling over. And he's starting to do that now, so I think he's tired. Bubbles with Grandma.
Look, there goes one.
Whee! Like it, Levi?
It's like, I don't even know what to do, Bubbles, yet. Wait till
Hey everyone, once again, me and Levi are upstairs in my room. He's gonna take his second nap, and I just woke up from my nap. So it's his turn now to take a nap. Now I gotta shower and just get ready for the day, even though it's like 1 o'clock. I feel like a bum, so I need to get ready. So let's put you to bed, Levi. You ready? Yeah? He's so ready to go to bed, but for some reason he wants to fight it. I don't know why. He's tired, but he wants to fight his sleep. So I don't know. We're going to the mall. We're going to the mall. Do you need help? Let me help you. Okay, go ahead. We're going to the mall. We're going to the mall. We're going to the mall, guys. My mom's getting new couches, so we're gonna go pick them up or something like that. Go pay for them, not pick them up because we have this kind of car. Levi's reading his book and eating his snack. He's being a good boy. We're at
go up the
Target. Why are we at Target?
Oh, well, we're going through Target to go to the furniture place
And get couches.
to buy the couches.
And then what?
And then we're going to come to Target and get some spaghetti
And then we're gonna eat.
for the baby. And then we're going to find something to eat.
Yep, so that's the plan. He scraped his knee earlier outside when he was playing. But he's okay, huh? So we are home now, and I will do a Target haul for you guys. So we got this True cookies and cream chocolate milk, and I can't wait to try that. We got some pasta. I love bow tie pasta. Italian sausage, sauce, and just regular milk.
For Grandma.
And a Heath bar for Grandma. So now Levi's eating, and I made him some bow tie pasta, and I cut it up into small pieces, and now he's eating, and he likes it. My mom went to go get Panda Express, so yay! I'm starving and I cannot wait to eat. Are you playing with your birthday balloon, Levi? It's so cute. Oh, now you're eating it. Look at the baby! I'm scared. Are you playing? It's kind of cold, huh?
Yeah, you know, Don't need the AC on. What do you think? It's like it's kind of a cool.
Yeah, we don't need it on at all. I felt fine all day.
Oh, he's getting all
Sorry, I gotta
drowsy. He's getting drowsy.
Whoa! It is so windy.
Oh,
Kind of scared me.
where did that come from?
Get it, Mia! Get it! Get it, Mia! Get it! Levi! You're so cute! Why are you so cute, Levi? Why are you so cute? He's so adorable! He looks like a doll with his
pink
rosy
cheeks.
cheeks.
I know, right?
I noticed that a lot of older women, like women in their like 70s or 80s, when they first met Levi or saw him, they would say, "Oh, he's such a doll." Yeah, you are. You've been a pretty good boy today.
He hasn't been, huh? He hasn't been cranky at all.
Yeah. His back
shut.
fat.
And his belly, it hangs over his waistband. He walks like an old man. Like if you think like a little old man with his belly hanging over.
Got a little gut going on there, Levi. Show him. Show him your little gut. So the water table was a perfect gift for Levi because he likes to play in the dog water bowls. So now that he has his own water table, he's not really interested. So it's the next morning and I just wanted to say good night to you guys and the vlog so that I can start today's vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe for more daily vlogs.